Hey, so today I'm going to show you how to maximize your customer opt-in and conversion rate with a program called Clickfunnels. Now, you can get a free 14-day trial with Clickfunnels, so I recommend you do that by clicking the link in the description. That way you can follow along with what I'm doing. And by the end of this 8-minute video, you'll have your own sales funnel ready to collect emails and make you sales and make you just passive income for having this sales funnel going. These sales funnels are great for basically any kind of business. You can collect leads with these, or you can sell your product, or you can send the customer through an experience, a 30-day video inclusive experience that teaches them something as part of a digital product. It's quite popular for that. But we're just gonna create a really simple, the first funnel you'll ever really create to collect leads. This is really great for the launch of an e-commerce product, or maybe you've got a blog that doesn't have much content yet. With your blog post, just send them to here, and you can get their email, or provide them with an affiliate offer or whatever you may want to offer them. So we're just going to choose collect email. You can choose any template you want, really. We're just going to go with this one. Let's say you're trying to sell digital marketing, get clients for your digital marketing business. We can just design it around that. Get rid of all the generic branding that's already on there. A lot of this will actually work, but you want to add your own brand's message in here instead. You want to find a custom image. You can change the image by clicking here, and you'll get an image that's like from Clickfunnels. You have to upload something to Clickfunnels. You can just find whatever you need. I'm personally going to use my logo for this. Here, you don't even have to ask for their first name. I do, because it doesn't really decrease the amount of people who give you an email. And it's just a nice way to get to know your customer a bit more. And then you can, when you email them, you can use their first name to address them, which I think is quite nice. But the important thing is you get their email. And if this isn't for whatever reason, you want the action to you want the input type to be email address. Yeah. And when they click this, you want to write your offer here. So if you're selling, say, giving a 30% off coupon for your marketing service, this button will collect the email address and name, and it'll take you to the next step in this funnel. And you can customize all this down here and write your own testimonials and sign off and such. But then when they click this is why it's so different and so much higher converting than a website, because when you go on a website you can do anything, but this page there's only one action you can do, and it involves giving you their emails. So this is made to optimize opt-in rate. And then the next page, it can be also whatever you want. Just save that real quick. If the only reason you're making a funnel right now is to get leads, that's all you really need to do. If you want to sell a product, this next page is where you'd sell your product. If this video gets 10 likes, I'll make a video showing how you can sell a physical product or a digital product or whatever you want through ClickFunnels, and how you can process the payments with that and the custom domains and everything involved. But for now, it's going to show you how to build your thank you page to your opt-in. You want to just tell them thank you and that you've sent whatever it was you're offering. And then if you've got any video, maybe a video, if it's a digital product you're selling, this could be a great video to introduce yourself to the customer. Or if you're selling a physical product, this can be like, like a product details page, almost like a sales page. But if you're selling a product, you probably also want to set up a product in Clickfunnels and sell that. And then this, you can set the action on this to whatever you want. The best is go to website URL. And this is how you can get them if you're not ready to set up sales in Clickfunnels, like we're going to describe later. It's a bit of a longer process. You can just send them straight to your website URL and just use this to get their email in the most optimized way for each offer, if you would. You can just set the go to website and then get your website domain. You can put whatever you want in there. It can even be an affiliate offer if you want, something like that. And yeah, make sure that's saved. And then, yeah, all the traffic after they've given you their emails, those who stay with you and come through, will click here and go straight to your sales page or whatever other page you want to send them to. And that's how you make an opt-in funnel on Clickfunnels in 2019. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and watch the suggested videos.